So I want to show you this EV charging station, electrical vehicle charging station. So this is what it comes with. So this is all together. Here's the plug. Here's the charging station. This is the mount to wrap up the wire. So you mount this on the wall. Wrap the wire around it. This goes into here for storage. Locks into place. And here's the converter. So if you have a different type of vehicle, you put this into here and you could use it. So it's for two different types of vehicles. You can see there.
So this is the outlet wall that you're going to be plugging your Tesla wall into. It's a 240 outlet that you're going to be connecting, and the gauge is 8 gauge wire. So that's what you're going to be using to mount this wall and have this outlet right here.
Alright, and on the back, how do you connect it?
So you're going to connect it by the color code on here, which is the white, which goes to the silver one. And then you got the ground, which goes to the green one. And you got the black and the red, which is X and Y, which is on the black ones right here. Those are the black and red that you're gonna put in. Okay, so we're gonna mount the electrical, the supercharging unit. We're gonna put this on the wall and mount to this and level it out first, and then we could, after that, then we'll be able to mount this right on top of this mount. Okay.
As you can see, it's leveled right there, so that's where we're gonna mount it, close enough so we could plug it in to here. All right, so we went ahead and mounted this right next to the plug, and let's go ahead and mount it. There you go.
So it's putting in the bracket for the gun or the charging handle, and just screwing it in and mounting it onto the wall.
All right, and then we gotta add this cover here. There's 2 screws in the middle which go there. So we just put this in place. We'll screw it in right now. It clips in. We'll screw it in. The hose sits on here, and the handle, the gun, clips into here. Yeah, like that, straight in. It clips into the top.
Like that.
So there you go. Here's the outlet. This one's not too long, so make sure the box is close enough so it could reach. And there you go, 25 feet of cable to charge your electric vehicle.